I'm not sure if I'm more excited about the $84 steal I picked up on GOAT or the fact that I finessed a fitted hat on my head with the butterfly locks. If you guys have tuned in, I already said it's a little bit difficult with this hairstyle to get even the larger fitted hats on. Snapbacks, I'm able to finesse, and I thought, man, like I'm getting these brand new hats in from Lids. They're amazing, but I really can't pull them off. But you know what? We're just gonna take it back old school. Okay, I'm feeling like T.I. in the song Top Back, and I'm able to get this on. So you guys already know, I'm super excited for the NFL season to start. Go Colts, Matty Ice. I am here for that. But more importantly, I'm here for deals on GOAT. I've already discussed this. I'm cleaning up on that app. The classic blue Adidas box, and what's inside? The Adidas Form 84 High, UNC, and yeah, they give us 3 additional laces. Who can argue with that? The quality on a Form 84 High is disrespected far too often. It's underappreciated for everything we get within this model itself. You actually have leather on the insoles of this sneaker. Talk about quality and comfort. Again, you get 3 additional laces, and the Adidas Form was actually one of the most technically sound basketball shoes of its time. This pair features a white and off-white upper as well as the midsole. You have suede stripes featured in the Carolina blue colorway as well as on the heel, and then for all of the trefoil designs. And yes, to me, this is one of the best UNC pairs to ever release.
I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see. Yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and
What's going on, everybody? It's your girl TJ back. Another video on Talks with TJ, and that's right, another GOAT pickup. But then also shout out to Lids Hat Drop for sending this over. So hey, NFL season is approaching pretty fast. NBA is done. WNBA is going to get ready for the playoffs, and that means we're closer to college football and pro football. So go ahead, grab a hat, rep your team, rep your squad. Go ahead and comment your team below. Shout out to the Rams again last year for winning, and hopefully Cooper Kupp doesn't continue to just decimate like everyone. Yeah, that man was a menace last year, and Donald is coming back. So you know what? If you have to play the Rams, like it's just not looking really good. But I have a lot of hope and faith for my team to do well in the AFC South this year. And I got a lot of faith in myself when it comes to finding these deals on GOAT. It's been an amazing time. I've said this time and time again in recent videos. It's a buyer's market right now with so many factors in play, and I'm not mad about it at all. If you guys remember back, I believe in like January, it might have been January or February, there was really only one shoe that I wanted, and then it got delayed, and then it was just difficult to get. And a lot of times when they're posted online, it may not be in your size. It's a mess when you're trying to buy forms and you're a smaller size. And even checking with like friend stores, they didn't even have them. They weren't getting them in. And I'm talking about the Adidas Form 84 High UNC. Now you guys know I'm a sucker for a good form. More importantly, the 84 High. So this is technically the 3rd pair that I have. I have the Louisville. I have the Eric Emanuel pair. I have the Orbit gray pair, which I think is just absolutely amazing with the age look and the gray and just white on that pair. But now I have the UNC, and I know most of you are gonna say like, hey, like this UNC just takes the cake for you in terms of being like super special. And I know that everybody lost their minds over the UNC 6. I just knew I wouldn't wear it a whole lot, and I'm self-aware. I knew I wouldn't wear it a whole lot. I don't wear my 4s enough. I don't wear the 1s enough. But this form just never left my mind. And a steal for $84? Who can argue with that? That's less than retail. Literally, I think I paid like $105 when it was all said and done with taxes, shipping, and fees. So your girl is very happy. Matter of fact, let's go ahead and see, you know, a quick on foot and 2 easy ways to style this pair. And yes, it's definitely centered around the WNBA, but then also just some retro Adidas vibes. For sizing, I went true to size to my conversion of a women's 7.5 to a men's 6, but I own forms and now a 6, a 6.5, and a men's 7 because you're able to lace them up quite a high way. In terms of the 84 High, it just means I can kind of make the fit work for me. For comfort, I would actually give these maybe a 7.5 out of 10. I can wear these all day comfortably. It might just depend on the individual themselves, but I think they have enough tooling in here to make this comfortable. I won't rock them on court. This is definitely a lifestyle pair, at least for me. Let's get graphic, and I'm talking about these all over prints for the shirts themselves. So for fit one, on the left, rocking the Street Market Supply Frank Ocean tee. I'm wearing a size medium, and then the brand new Fear of God Essentials Amber Volley shorts that came in just because they were on sale, and Jerry doesn't seem to be making volley shorts a whole lot. So I wanted to take advantage, and then just threw on some black and white Adidas crew socks to finish the fit. If we move over to the second look on the right, paying much respect to the world champions, the Chicago Sky from last year, the WNBA. We are approaching playoff season, and I can't wait. I actually think I'm going to be a very torn fan with the Sky and the Aces if they make it to the championship. But rocking this tee from Break the Curse, and then the just most comfortable sweatpants ever. Yes, they are women's. You can find them on the Adidas website right now. I'm wearing a size medium, and then kept on the same black and white crew socks and threw on that Warriors championship hat because it's cream, and I think it coordinates really well with the shirt and the kicks. That's all I got for you guys. So as you know, more forums will be added to the collection. And when it comes to the forum lows, I will say this. I am someone that believes it looks better without the strap that's attached. And sometimes, depending on the forum low, you can actually completely take the strap off, or you can't. It just really depends on the model. If you go after the ADV, you can remove it, or it's actually just gone. Like the ADV, the skate model, doesn't have it at all. I actually still want the black ADV just because I love the cream and white pair that I have so much. And yes, I would definitely swap the laces out on that one and put in the rope laces. But I appreciate you guys for tuning into this video. As always, act your age, not your shoe size. Find those deals. Peace.